Got the frame off, whatever electronics needed to get off. Now I'm attempting not to break this very thin piece of glass. Ah, shit, need to screw that out. Which is the screen. Probably end up blowing it out, but it's so thin it's even hard to use for anything. A lot of nice threaded screws though. After everything else gets thrown out. I know I can't shut up about it. Because you can't imagine how much shit that got thrown out. It's like a dude in business. Got some shit in my mouth, some O-rings. Okay. Got the last bracket off. We gotta get the wiring off. Thought I had it off here. I'd like to bring this in so you guys can see this shit. But never works that way. Still can't see shit. Alright, you can see these wires I'm trying to lift off, and you have to, they're taped and screwed down. This kind of looks like the area where it went bad. I don't really need the connection, so I don't have to be too gentle on that. I'm not gonna. Guess if I wanted a screen, it was perfect. And there's more filters. Can I get this somewhere without breaking it? That's the question. You know that shit's gonna break on me. Come on, baby. Nope. I'm gonna swallow these freaking O-rings. Come on. I don't want to take any more shit off. Just come out. Oh God, the wind's gonna knock this down and break it. All this does is have to snap off something. It's like an inner frame. This fucking wind all of a sudden. Okay. This shit should be plexiglass, no more real glass. I mean Lexan. Come on, SOB. Rest it back on. Alright. Yeah, here's some of the filters. Hazy, well, they're all hazy. One's a white hazy one, one's clear. They all diffuse the light a little differently. And there's this piece of Lexan, or flexible, translucent shit. And then we got these little, that's just to hold everything even in there. And look at all the LEDs. Man, I'd like to get them bitches to turn on. Make a high beam. Put that on the roof of my redneck vehicle. I don't know where to put this shit. Alright, bros. Checking out. Let's see if we can see some of this crap. You see there's a reflection in it. That's the screen with a black printed, how do you want to call it? You can't see it, but let's bring it in close, maybe. Alright, check it out. Got to clean up. Also got to go buy a new faucet and try to turn off this water in the house again on Father's Day. Wonderful, baby. Okay, over here we have Traxxas Monster Buggy. 1/5 scale car. It's more of a parking lot car or a flat dirt. There's no G23 in it. Can't hurt that engine. They sell high performance cylinders, or you could port them yourself, back cut it, raise the exhaust a little, and open the intake, back cut the cylinder, get a little more compression, put a single ring piston, that'll raise the RPM up, then you can work on the carburetor. But anyway, that's it. Tours checking out, like and subscribe.